Hello and welcome to Coloring History, and today we are going to make a Gabrielino sand painting. The Gabrielino nation are the original inhabitants of the Los Angeles County area. They had no written language, so they told stories on rocks and inside caves. So we are going to make a sand painting inspired by the Tongva legend on how California came to be. So when we are done with this fun craft, this is what it should look like. These are the materials you will need: light blue colored sand, green sand, yellow sand, black construction paper, scissors, a white crayon, glue, and the Tongva turtle template. The Tongva turtle template and Tongva tale on how California came to be can be found on my Teacher Pay Teacher account under Charles Hicks. With the scissors, you want to cut out the turtle template. Trace the turtle with a white crayon. Then make lines to create the head, legs, and tail. Next, make a circle in the center of the turtle. Carefully copy the wavy lines that is on the turtle template using the glue bottle on the black paper. Then add the light blue sand. Make sure the sand covers all parts of the glue. Then carefully pour the leftover sand back into the cup. Wait a few minutes to dry. Spread glue around the circle. Then carefully spread yellow sand on the glue and pour the leftover sand back into the cup once all the glue is covered. Wait a few minutes for the yellow sand to dry. Then spread glue on the turtle's head, legs, and tail. Then pour the green sand on the glue. Once you covered every part glue with green sand, then pour the leftover sand back into the cup. And this is what the finished sand painting should look like when we are done.